Off color. Off color. Meaning: feeling unwell. Example: after staying up late, I felt a bit off color the next morning. Off one's rocker. Off one's rocker. Meaning: acting crazy or confused. Example: everyone thought he was off his rocker for attempting that dangerous stunt. Off to a flying start. Off to a flying start. Meaning: starting something successfully or positively. Example: the project got off to a flying start with early positive feedback. Old hand. Old hand. Meaning: someone with a lot of experience in something. Example: she's an old hand at baking and knows all the tricks to make perfect cakes. Old school. Old school. Meaning: following ideas or methods from the past. Example: my grandfather prefers old school music over modern pop. On the ball. On the ball. Meaning: understanding the situation well or performing efficiently. Example: the new manager is really on the ball with handling customer complaints. On the brain. On the brain. Meaning: constantly thinking or talking about something. Example: lately, he's had cricket on the brain and can't talk about anything else. On the rocks. On the rocks. Meaning: a relationship facing problems. Example: their marriage is on the rocks due to constant arguments. On time. On time. Meaning: not being late, happening as expected. Example: the train arrived on time, which rarely happens these days. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Meaning: something that happens very rarely. Example: we only go out for fancy dinners once in a blue moon. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. Meaning: referring to a long time ago. Example: once upon a time, knights fought bravely for their kingdoms. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Meaning: the result or truth will be revealed in the future. Example: will this new policy work? Only time will tell. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. Meaning: appearing suddenly and unexpectedly. Example: she called me out of the blue after years of no contact. Out of the red. Out of the red. Meaning: no longer in debt. Example: after paying off the loan, the company is finally out of the red. Out of time. Out of time. Meaning: having no time left. Example: we were out of time, so we had to stop the quiz without finishing it.